Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amy Louise. Today I'm going to show you how to do these really cute little hair bows. I do them quite a lot and I always get questioned on how I do them and if they're hard, and honestly they are so easy. It is unreal. I figured it out a few years ago and I'm so glad I did. It's a great way of doing a top knot without having it be like a basic top knot, and it's so quick. You can do it with a little bit of hair or like your whole head of hair, which I will also show you. So if you want to see, then keep on watching. So I'm just taking this one out and you can see just how quick and easy it is. It is very simple. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a section of my hair. I've just done the very front section and I'm just using these tiny little clear rubber hairbands. They're just the little ones. I got a big pack of them. I think there was like 500 of them for about £1 or £2. It's really not hard. So I'm going to start off by making a ponytail, and then on the last round, instead of pulling it all the way through, I'm going to make like a little loop that you can stick your finger through and have a section just here, just like a little tail. Now you want that at the very back, and then you want to take your little loop and split it in half, just like that. Hold it down and then take that little tail and pull it through the center of those two loops, and then just pin it. And then all you're going to do is take your two loops on the side and fluff them out a little, however you want them, and there you are, you've got a little bow. I'm going to show you how to do it with your full head of hair too. Again, super quick and easy. You can do this with long or short hair. It really does not matter. So I'm going to take this one out. Okay, so for this one you want like a regular bobble, and all you're going to do is take all your hair, or however much hair that you want to use, pop it into a high ponytail, and again you're going to make a ponytail and then just pull it into a loop and make sure you've still got the tail at the back. Then you're going to take that loop, which, because my hair's curly today, it's a little harder to do, but separate it into two, take your little tail, pull it through the center, and then pin that in place. And generally I just do two. If you've got more hair than I do, you can wrap it around the base and then back around the middle of those two sections, and then all you do is fluff out your two loops to make your bun. Obviously the more hair you've got, like the bigger your bow you can do, and you can back comb your ponytail and then like create the loop to make them like bushier. When I had really long hair I used to do that a lot, but yeah, this is how I do it. It's really cute, and I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm a Minnie Mouse or something. I get questions on this all the time. I do this a lot for like work or the school run, something quick and easy without it actually being a top knot, and I always get questions and I'm always told how cute it looks and asked if it's hard and how to do it, and yeah, it's really that quick and easy. I hope you liked it. I know it's a bit weird because I'm like all the way down here, but you need to see up here. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.